Shiba Inu, SHIB, the dog-themed meme coin, has significantly developed on the broader cryptocurrency market. There has been an upsurge in trading volume as over 10 trillion SHIB tokens have hit Binance, the largest crypto exchange, in the last 24 hours. SHIB, potential sell-off or strategic positioning, according to CoinMarketCap data, 10,423,720,000,000 SHIB hit the exchange as market participants positioned themselves for likely profit-taking beyond regular trading activities. The sheer volume traded on Binance suggests that Shiba Inu traders prefer the liquidity on the platform. If this is the case, the traders might be preparing to sell as such a large volume signals a fight-or-flight response by SHIB holders. However, it could also mean that the traders want to stake a part of their SHIB tokens. Beyond these, Shiba Inu traders may just be shuffling assets. As of this writing, the SHIB price was trading up by 6.83% at $0.00001571 in the last 24 hours. This signals a rebound as the meme coin attempts to climb back to the $0.000018 level. Analysts maintain that if supported by bullish sentiment on the market, SHIB could achieve its rebound journey to higher levels. In the past 24 hours, SHIB has fluctuated between a low of $0.00001408 and a high of $0.00001691 as it struggles to gain more ground. SHIB ecosystem's efforts at price stability. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has continued to stabilize prices, as recently seen by the 847% spike in burn rate. The community incinerated 31,010,900 SHIB, with over 1 billion sent to dead wallets within the last 7 days. Meanwhile, the ecosystem is anticipating the announcement that Satoshi Kusama, Shiba Inu's lead figure, promised is on the horizon. Kusama teased groundbreaking news, with users expecting this to impact the price of SHIB. In the meantime, market participants remain observant and monitor development with the dog-themed meme coin.